Nike is building excitement around Sabrina Ionescu's third signature sneaker with the upcoming barely Grape and Magic Ember edition of the Sabrina 3. Following its All-Star Weekend debut in the Blueprint colorway set for July 24, this vibrant pair showcases bold lavender tones paired with fiery orange accents on the swoosh and collar. Designed for both elite and grassroots athletes, the Sabrina 3 maintains its lightweight textile upper and responsive performance setup, featuring Cushlon 3.0 foam, a Phylon support carrier, and a lockdown-driven caging system inspired by the Kobe 11 and KD 18. The sneaker also continues its storytelling legacy, incorporating Romanian embroidery and a symbolic medial swoosh that nods to breaking barriers in sport. This energetic colorway reflects Ionescu's fast-paced, fearless game. Expected to launch shortly after the Blueprint release, the Nike Sabrina 3 barely Grape and Magic Ember will retail for $135 via Nike.com and select retailers nationwide.